Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So today I've got this mouse from AliExpress. So let's see the specs. First of all, it looks really good. The design is really awesome. The weight of this mouse is 190 grams. It got beautiful LEDs as well. I got this one for just around 10 euros from AliExpress. So as you can see, this is a wired mouse. So there is no room for latency. For gaming, I think it's better to use wired mouse rather than wireless. And you don't need to worry about charging this thing all the time. So let's talk about the build quality. For this price range, it definitely feels solid. They say that you can click this mouse for 5 million times, which is not bad. So there are 4 DPI settings on this one: 1200 DPI, 2400 DPI, 4800 DPI and 7200 DPI. So the left and right buttons are not silent. I would prefer if they were silent like other gaming mouses. The LEDs on this one are not adjustable, so you got this random color change. So this thing got 4 customizable buttons, and the one on the side is just a default left click. So you got 2 left click buttons. If you want to buy this mouse for gaming, definitely go for it. At this price range, it's very good. I'll put down a link in the description if you want to buy this. So that was pretty much it guys. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. See you next time.